and the longest.
Where's the heart at?
Right there.
And where the
longest.
Oh, okay. Gabby, what are you working on? What are you working on?
This is a deer's digestive system. This is the rumen. It has papilli. It's the start of digestion.
This is the reticulum. It looks like a honeycomb and it digests big particles.
So we're going to do some comparing here. So we're going to look at the feed in this chamber versus the others. Evaporation, right? So it's when water, liquid water, heats up, gets really excited, and it goes into the atmosphere, right? So we were looking at evaporation of this. Remember? How much did we fill this up yesterday? 100. So we put 100 milliliters in here. And remember we did our graph? We started our graph. And everybody put a little check here at the 1. So day 1, and how many milliliters evaporated? We said none, right? Right. So we're going to look today. So I'm going to give you back your graphs. So we're going to look at our graduated cylinder and see how much water went away from yesterday to today. Yep, it should be in that box right there for you. No, but you can help her make her own. Since you're an expert, you already know. Caitlin, you get to pick your color. There's pencils and stuff in there. So what color do you want? This one or that one? This one? There you go. All right. So everybody's going to have to come up and look at our graduated cylinder. Now remember, when we look at it, what do we have to do? We have to get down like this, right? Because we have to be eye level with it. Okay, so everybody come and look and see where the bottom of the U is. Is it at 100? Is it less than 100? Come and look at it. Go ahead, Anthony.
What about me, Mrs. Mom?
Yeah, come on up. So Anthony, does that look like it's at 100 or does it look a little less than 100? Okay, good. Good job. Hunter, what do you see? Does it look like it's at 100 or a little less? A little less? Emma, what do you see? Is it at 100 or is it a little less than 100? A little less? Good job, Hunter. Let me help. You gotta step on your water bottle. There you go. Alright, ladies, look at this. Does this look like it's at 100 or a little less? A little less. So, if it's a little less than 100, did we lose water or did we gain water? If it's less than 100, we lost water. So, it looks like we lost about 1, right? So, what day are we on? Yeah, we're on day 2. So, how much did we lose? 1. So, on your graphs, everybody's going to go to day 2 and go up 1 mark and put a circle. So that's telling us that on day 2, we lost 1 thing of water. Right where my finger is. Yep. Awesome. Good job. Hunter needs Did you get it? Awesome. Good job. Not right now. Maybe later, okay? All right, I'll let you ladies work. Anthony, perfect. That's exactly what it should look like. Awesome. Good job. So it looks like, because remember, if we look at the title, what's the title, Hunter? What's the title of our whole graph at the very top? Well, take it slow here. Right, the rate of evaporation. So how quickly does the water leave our cylinder, right? So it looks like it's increasing, doesn't it? Yeah. All right, good job. So I will collect those, and that's something that we will keep looking at. We're gonna miss 2 days though, right? Yeah. Because we're gonna be gone Saturday and Sunday. Yeah. Unless you wanna come in Saturday and Sunday. No. No? You don't want to? Okay. Are you watching the Super Bowl on Sunday?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Eagles, run the Eagles.
Oh, you're an Eagles fan?
No.
No?
I'm just watching Eagles.
Oh, okay.
I'm Cleveland.
What fan are you? Oh, okay. Really? I kind of do a little bit, even though I really don't like them.
Cowboys fan?
I am a Cowboys fan. Good observation. It's to boo, Hunter. Boo, Steelers. All right. So perfect. You two need to mark our second spot. So this was day 1, right? We're gonna label these day 2. And so we said that it lost 1. So if you go to day 2, and this is 1, so you're gonna put a little mark right there. Day 2. So you'll see that it's starting to go up, right? Okay. And then, Cody, we are just marking our second day. And we lost 1 milliliter of water. So we're going to go to the 2 and mark it at the 1. All right, so now we're going to have a little fun with some flowers. Okay, but you're going to really have to listen because I'm going to give you very specific instructions. So are you ready? Okay, so everybody's going to come up here and you're going to get 1 test tube. This is a test tube. So everybody's going to get 1 of these. You're going to get 1 graduated cylinder. So remember, this is just measuring. This is how we measure, like a measuring cup. So 1 of these, and then you're going to get 1 thing of water. And it doesn't matter. There are different sizes just because. So you just have to grab 1 of each of these. And that's it for right now, okay? And then go back to your table. All right? Okay, go ahead. Nope. And I'll carry this back for you. Ooh, good thinking. Don't drop it, it's glass. Oh, be careful, just pull you back. Yeah, you hold on to that. I can see that falling. Be careful, the test tubes are glass, so we want to be really careful. And then here's your water when you're ready, okay? And not right now. Cody, do you have a test tube? The little glass thing? All right, you have everything? Beautiful. Okay. Alrighty, so we're going to be careful with our test tubes. So our first step is we're going to take our graduated cylinder, and can everybody see on the side there's numbers?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to measure to 20.
Wow.
Is that a lot? Yeah. So we're going to measure to 20, so we're going to use our water and fill up this until it says 20, and then we're going to stop. Okay? When you get there, let me know so I can check that it's 20.
I get my finger to Be careful. See where my finger,
Whoa.
too far. That's okay. We can put some
Yeah,
more.
go ahead.
Now it's too low. Do you want to try again? A little more? Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
oh
just
my
putting the
goodness.
bottom on
How much
that
are
way.
you at?
Whoa.
So we're gonna pour a little bit of this back in here, right? So this is gonna be a fun game. We'll see who can get to 20 first. Cause it's hard. And you have to go little amounts.
Is that
Okay, you're a little higher. You're at
Well, no,
22.
I will sit and then
You're
look
so
back.
close, so just do a little bit. A
Uh,
little bit.
Just one over.
And then you need to take a couple of drops out.
I got it.
Huh?
I got it.
Is it there?
Put it up. You're at 20?
Oh,
Be 20 exactly.
We're just doing a drop, okay? This would be. All right, take a look.
All right,
We're gonna have to
just
get
do a thing before it in here.
All right, look at this. 20. Got it? Let me see. Oh, finally.
Okay, this one. Let's stop at 20.
Do 10. Pour half that out. You're at 22. So let me show you something that'll help. So you know how we only have 2 little. So if we take this, yep. So squeeze it. Yep. Let go. And it'll suck up the water. Yep. So now how many do we have? We have 19. So you're gonna put a little water in there. Yep.
Well,
And then
it's
just
one
put a
drop.
couple drops in here.
Just a tiny drop.
And look, and wait till it gets
That's
to
probably
20.
too much. Did it go over?
Oh, what's it say now?
Okay.
Good job.
All
All right. Are we there?
22. It's hard to get.
Oh, let me give you a.
Did
Did you get there, Anthony?
That'll make it easier.
Alright, so you're there? You're good? Alright, and you're there?
Hunter.
Okay.
Okay, one drop.
So you're at. You're there. Good job. Awesome. Alright, so all of my 20 people, I want you to pour it out and go to 10. You're to yours.
No, hang on.
10 already there? Alright, perfect. You're good.
I do.
So, pour out. So what is 20 minus 10?
Okay, we got it.
20 minus 10.
Now, but remember, we're going to 10, so we're not.
Okay,
taking
so
all
look.
that. That's okay. Here, let's do this.
So how many do we have? How much do we have in our thing? 20. If we take 10 away,
10's way down here, just only a little bit.
how many should we have?
Where are you going?
Okay. Okay. Shaylin, how many? One. 10. Shaylin, you think 10 too? So let's break it down. What is 2 minus 1? 1. What is 0 minus 0? 0. How much do we have? 10. Yeah. So you're gonna pour some out and get to 10. You already did that. Oh, and I have yours. I've been carrying this around the whole time. So if you're missing it, it's because I have it in my hand.
It is Marsh.
Mhm.
What is it that you do?
For the conference?
Yeah.
Not for a while. So if you look, I'm
What,
just a
so the
little
next week?
over 10. See that? Yeah. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, and because this is short and I can't reach all the way, so I'm gonna tip this very carefully.
What's the first sometime next week?
I know Barzy will pass it out for you.
Well, that's cheaper to fill out, like, no, but I don't want to return it.
All right, is that 10?
It's way down.
All right, are you at 10 now?
Here, I'll hold it at the top, so
Oh,
you can look at the
sorry.
top.
And then I'm gonna give this back to you so I don't. lose it and walk away. All right, Hunter, did we do it? Are we at exactly 10? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Anthony, are we at 10? We're almost at 10, Emily?
No.
Alrighty, so what you're gonna do is you're going to take your 10, so your 10 milliliters of water, and you're gonna pour it into your test tube, okay? If you notice, they have a little spout on them, so if you use the spout, it'll be easy. So pour that into your test tube. I see. Oh, we're so close. Can I help a little bit? There we go. Does that look like 10? Yeah? Alrighty. So you're gonna pour this in there. You see that little spout? Yep, there you go. Alright, is everybody there? Can you do what? Oh, yes. Alrighty, awesome. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna color the water. Okay? Now, if you want the color purple, what two colors do you mix together? Red and green. Not green, but red's right. Somebody help red in. Not pink. Okay? So if we put red and blue together, we get what color?
Purple.
Purple. Is that what you're going to say, Hunter? Yeah? I'll leave that there for you. Okay, so if you want to mix colors, you can. The string is going to come out. The cord's going to come out when you put it in. So you need to line this lip up with this hole. Okay? So the best way to do it is you need to look right on top and look through this hole until it turns light. Now go ahead and look right on top. Do you see how it's light? Okay. So once you get it like that, then you're going to take your cord and you're just going to feed it through until it comes out. Can you see that, Sean? And you're going to take your needle nose pliers, and I have to use needle nose pliers. My finger's a little big. So you just pull it until you get a little bit out. And then, this isn't a sophisticated knot.
I can't use a lighter to save my life.
So I can't do it.
Yeah, I seriously can't
Which
do
one
it.
do you want? It's not a deer.
Yeah. What's kind of, how long do we need to hold this?
Whoa!
there for?
Just about 5 seconds.
Oh my God.
Wait, let me see. Did you get anything? Alright, hold just one edge of it. Make it flat.
Oh dear God.
Yep, hold one edge. Yep, and just keep it over about 5 centimeters above the flame. Are you getting anything?
I don't see
No?
That one should hold it up in this.
Wow.
Yeah.
This one will.
Okay, that's good. Okay,
Woo!
so